Lake is rising with all this rain. I haven't heard any flash flood warnings. But there will be no outside work done today. Chickens are hiding under the house. My hydrangeas like the rain. My shrimp plant that I haven't shown y'all. I got this from a cutting from my mother's plant. It's doing pretty well. I need to weed this bed. Looks like little shrimp. All my plants are loving this water. For some reason, the chickens are fighting in the coop. I think I have a broody hen. They have 2 boxes, but they fight over the one. Yep, she's in there. You can't see her, I guess. There she is. Ooh, be nice, mama. So anyway, I'm off to work. You guys have a good day.